Welcome to my car and my life. Right now we rebuild my old Ford I had in 1996 on Elmia. Now we have ground the damage down a bit on this side. I can't take everything at once. It's lots of small repairs to be done. Example over here it's some damage. But we will concentrate on this one. And we will go over a few of the other repairs if we have plastic over. But this is our main repair right now. And this one. This is the secondary. I have to repair it on the inside, in and outside. And this is only on the outside. I recently bought it back from the previous owner, and now we try to restore it to the shape it had in the 90s when I last owned it. I use polyester from Biltema to do this repair. I wet out the surface first before I start adding fiberglass. This 200 grams woven fiberglass cloth I use to get strength in the construction. Later I use this cheaper 400 grams math to build up the thickness. I have pre-cut some pieces I want to lay down. The thing is, I have to remember where which piece go to get it right. The 400 grams fiberglass I have not pre-cut. That one I will tear apart in pieces I want at the moment. Let's see what we got here. This is still low. It's a good start. This is the one I think I have to redo. I have two sharp corners on this one, so I have some trouble with it. Good. Really good. Really good. This is strong. This is really strong. Now I will clean up all the edges and high spots and see how low the low spots are. If they're too low, I will take more fiberglass on it. first clean up all of this. Especially this one. This went bad. This is where we stand right now. I have a couple of big low spots over here and down here, especially here. But the other one seems to be pretty good. Here is a low spot. If we do, it's not important to be here, but if I put the splitter, it will cover all this area. The same here, but the edge will be visible. This is a low spot. And I have these areas here and over here. Let's clean up this a bit more. And I still need these lights. If someone have lights to an Escort 86 to 90, the Mark IV, round lights. I have these Morettes, but I want another look. Another lights that are not Morettes, the one I had from the beginning. If you have them, contact me. This will be good, I think. This is the part I want to have more straight out before, so I want to fill it out a bit. The big dent there on the edge here. Hello! Today I got my first samples here from Cabrio Supply. It's sample of the color of the roof. Let's see how well it matches. I got a grey one here. Don't know why they send the grey one, because I'm only interested in the red color. You have the PVC and the fabric. Let's see how well they match with the car. It's a little bit darker, but not much. It's a little bit lighter. I think both of them should work. Let's look on the other place. What do you think? Fabric or PVC? Fabric is the upper one and the lower is PVC. Let me know in the comment. Now I think I understand why they give me the grey one. Because they know I got the grey car. If I want to match the gray, send this one. Clever guys. I also pick up this thing to get the right profile of the bumper. Because so far I only have eyeballed it by adding fiberglass all the time. So let's see how much we have left to do. Let's see how this thing works. Should add up a little bit more in the corners here. This is perfect. It's just a little bit in the corner. You never see it, but I can see on this profile that you could add on a little bit more. It starts curving too early. It should be a sharper turn. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.